literally.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hi guys!
Welcome to Happy Home, Happy Life.
You got to let it go. 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 When it let go, go. When it let go, you. When it let go, go. When it has to let go. When it let go, go. When it's to let go.
Hi!
This gentleman with orange glasses.
Yeah? Yeah, Mama.
It's Friday morning
Hey,
and
I
it's
said that.
raining.
You don't need glasses. I need glasses.
I don't need glasses.
Yeah, I need glasses.
You need glasses. Okay, you got this orange glasses yesterday. Bless you.
Didi got sticky one.
Yes, Didi got something else. So holiday started from yesterday and we went to library, and just next to library there is a dollar store. So whenever we go to library, we have to go to dollar store. This has become something like a ritual.
Because
And-
it's a toy.
Yeah, and he got this glasses and we got a library book which is super favorite of Keyush and Yesha, and that's the little ice cream truck.
Scream.
Lots of flavored ice cream.
Yeah.
Wow, yum yum.
Yeah,
This is what Yesha got. The sticky man.
Yeah. Oh, there's like a bag in it. But it can fall down.
After coming to Nanaimo, we planted this tulsi seed, and it's been 2 months, and this is the plant. It has really come out very nice,
Mama,
and we have kept it inside because if we keep it outside because of cold, it won't survive.
You got to let it go. When it let go, go. When it let go, you. When it let go, go. When it has to let go. When it let go, go. When it's to let go. You got to
For breakfast, I'm making suji uttapam, but today I'm making it little differently. Generally, I add raw suji and yogurt along with onion and other veggies. But today, I will roast the suji along with all the veggies. Then I'll add the yogurt. So let's see how it tastes. I'm adding zucchini, carrot, onion and ginger.
You got to let it go. When it let go, go. When it let go, you. When it let go, go. When it has to let go. When it let go, go. When it's to let go. You got to let it go.
Adding 1 cup of suji, semolina, and adding salt. We'll cool it down and then add yogurt. Adding half a cup of yogurt. So this is the consistency.
Ooh, oh. Oh, I really want
You got to let it go.
it. Wow, Mama, you're a great daughter at me.
So Thanksgiving holidays started since yesterday. It was Thursday, and I've already told you that in library on Thursdays there are special events, activities for toddlers and preschoolers. So we went there yesterday, and Yesh also enjoyed some story time, and they were telling some nice fall stories, Halloween stories. It was a lot of fun.
Yummy! Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy!
How was it go? Yummy!
Yummy?
Good.
Good.
More.
More? Okay, आ जाओ आप बैठो, मम्मा देते.
You got to let it go. When it gonna let go. When it go.
Since last 30 minutes, both of them are playing so nicely without even fighting, not even bothering me. I really feel so happy, and I really find them so cute whenever I see them playing independently and just communicating with each other. As Kyush is growing up, he's talking so much. So they are developing that special bond, and sometimes they really play so nicely together. दिल भर आता है. Filmy ho gaya. But yeah, I really feel so good and happy.
Uh-oh.
I'll show you. So this is the house of Animal House, and Mama Pig, Mama Cow.
Not break it!
Oh no, I'm not breaking it. That's Mama Pig's and Mama Cow's house.
Daddy cow?
Oh, it's a daddy cow today.
What? This is the garden.
This is the house, and this is the garden.
Yeah.
Doing the most boring stuff of the day, folding laundry. Yeah, and in the evening we are planning to go to a mall to do some Durga Puja shopping. Yeah, this time of the year I always become very emotional, and I really miss my family a lot. It's not because I'm in Canada. Even in India, I could not celebrate Durga Puja with my family after my graduation. I went to Delhi, and after that I never got chance to visit them, especially on Durga Puja. And you know, for Bengalis, Durga Puja is not just a festival or a puja. It is something we wait so eagerly every year, and the preparation starts 1 and 2 months before, like all the shoppings and everything. And I'm from Muzaffarpur. It's a small city, but there are lots of Bengalis there. Even there's a Bengali school, and Durga Puja is celebrated in that school on a grand level, and I have lovely memories from those days of my childhood. And whenever I think about it, I really become so emotional about it. And nowadays, buying clothes for kids is not a big deal. Whenever we go to mall or even grocery shopping, we buy clothes for kids. But I remember till the time I was in school, like till 12th, we used to buy clothes only twice a year, one in Durga Puja and one on birthdays. So on Durga Puja, like Suchity to Navami, every day, morning to evening, we used to go to Puja Pandal, and we have to wear new clothes. So yeah, it was so much of fun. And Bengalis don't follow such hard rituals of puja. Like we eat everything. Like now I don't eat non-veg during Navratris, but that time we used to eat everything. And puja, it's all about fun and eating, going to different stalls and golgappe and dosa and roll and whatnot. It was some amazing days of my life. And so every year I make sure I buy new clothes for kids. At least from Suchity to Navami, I want them to wear new clothes. Anything, like maybe just a t-shirt or something. Last year we visited India, so I had lots of new kurtis. So last Navratri was really good in terms of new clothes. But this time I don't think I have. I'll check. I have to check. Maybe there are some new kurtis, so maybe I'll wear that. Back in Edmonton, there are lots of Bengalis, so they celebrate Bengali Durga Puja very nicely. But here, of course, nothing is happening. But we have received a mailer from Indian community here that they are doing some dandiya functions. So looking forward to it. We will definitely go there. At least some festive feeling to aayegi.
अच्छा चलो एक बार चेक कर लेना
We are all set to go to mall and they have already started having fun. And I am super happy I don't have to cook dinner also. We will eat something in the mall. So Friday, yay, weekend, long weekend. And weather is also awesome. It's no more raining and not that cold. It's good. So let's go. Let's go and sit. Right in the front of the mall there is a Toy RS and it is actually a project to stop kids from going inside the shop. It is like anybody's dreamland, I would say. Even I love to move around the Toy RS and it's really difficult to control. Ooh, what is this? Hi Keish.
Look, Mommy, I'm in school.
You're a storyteller. What story you are telling me today?
I have all tweezers. So I have a yellow one. I don't know what this song is. And a cotton.
I just love the shop. This has amazing home decor pieces. You are having ice cream?
It's kind of white.
Okay.
I have black. I have white.
Okay. Can I have some?
Yeah, here.
I want to have some.
Thank you. Eat it.
Didi.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Daddy.
Daddy also? Okay, Daddy will also share.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, serious? Yay. They are enjoying pizza and Anuj is getting some Subway for us. We just love Subway. Comment down below if you love Subway.
Just imagine when I open bed. Here.
You want some pizza?
Yum, 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 yum. Pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
This pizza.
Yo?
That's a daddy pizza.
Yeah, that is also pizza. And we are back. I'll quickly show you what all I have got for Yesha and Kiyush. We just shopped for both of them, and we got from Gap and Children Place. So first let me show you what all I have got from Children Place. This one is for Kiyush, Mom's Hero with fire truck. You know how much he's obsessed about fire truck, and he actually picked this up and chose this. And this is the one, boss of the family. Actually he is. And I really like the blue color. Then one dinosaur trouser. And this one. I really feel he's more comfortable in these kind of trousers than jeans or any formal pants. And for Yesha we got this dress. Nice emoji pictures and lots of doodles. Cute frock. And some socks for Kiyush. And due to Thanksgiving, sale was going on, so we got it for good price. Now from Gap, we got this jeans for Yesha. Nice color. And one star t-shirt. And that's shining t-shirt. So yes, that was all about our Durga Puja shopping. Hope you have enjoyed the vlog. In case you are watching us for the first time, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care, have fun, and as always, keep making lots of memories. Bye-bye.
You got to